Hi everyone, it's Nicole here, and I'd like to welcome you to lesson number 8 in my YouTube series of how to pronounce difficult English words. Thank you so much for joining me, and I do hope that you have found the previous videos really helpful. If you haven't had a chance to watch them yet, please do go back and watch them after you've seen this video. If you enjoy it, please also click on the subscribe button or give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So today I've chosen some great words that we're going to focus on, and we're going to learn how to pronounce them perfectly. The first word is a word that we use a lot, and that I especially use a lot because my learning community is called the Successful English Learner. So we need to pronounce this word correctly as well if we are part of my learning community. So let's break it down. The way to pronounce this is suk, successful, successful, successful. Your turn. Well done. Successful, successful. Well done, successful. Perfect. The next word we have is across. Okay, the pronunciation of this word is ross. Ross. Cross. Cross. Your turn. Yeah, well done. Cross. Across. Perfect. Well done. The next word we have is thistle. The pronunciation is thistle. 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 Your turn. Well done. Thistle. Thistle. Amazing. Well done. The next we have is heir, the heir to the throne. Okay, so it's not the king or queen who are now in charge. It's the next person who was born to be the next king or queen. They're called the heir. It's definitely not hair. That's not how we pronounce it. It's just air, like air around us. Air. Breaking that down, it's air, ya, air, 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 air. Well done, air. Perfect. Much easier, isn't it? The next word we have, this is an interesting one, ridiculous. Ridiculous, something crazy silly. Ridiculous. Pronunciation is dick, less. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. You try. Well done. Ridiculous. Again. Perfect. Ridiculous. Very, very, very good. Well done. So there you go. They're the words that we will focus on this lesson. Please do go back, watch the video again, pause it, copy it, practice pronouncing those words correctly. And if you have any questions, please ask below. If you have any requests for words that you find difficult, get in touch. Tell me what they are, and I'll include them in a future learning video. And more importantly, please subscribe. If you enjoy this video and the other learning content, subscribe so that you never miss out. I upload at least 4, if not 5, new learning videos every single week, not just on pronunciation, but on areas such as vocabulary, grammar, and idioms as well. So please subscribe and come back. Thanks, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Bye.